Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today we will learn a new poem, The Kite, written by Harry Benn. At first, I will summarize the poem. It will help you to understand the stanzas clearly. The Kite is a short melodious poem by Harry Benn. It is based on how a kite flies in the air. For the first time, the poet begins his explanation by saying how bright a new kite looks against the blue sky when its tail produces a cracking sound. Then, while flying, all of a sudden, the kite goes high on the top, just like a ship goes up and down over the sea waves with a sailcloth. It moves forward when the wind is strong, but as the wind falls, it seems as if it is also taking rest for a while in the air. Sometimes the thread tied to the kite loosens, and flyer tries to roll the thread and run it till a new breeze fill its wings. Its wings means the kite's wings. The kite really look bright on a clear sky, but when it gets stuck on a tree top, it gets torn and gives a poor look. Now its beauty is gone. Thus ends the journey of a kite. Simply, in this poem, The Kite, the poet describes the journey of a kite. Okay, now let's go with the poem. How bright on a blue it is a kite when it's new. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail. At first, I will tell you the meaning of a difficult word of the stanza. After that, I will explain the stanza to you. Here, blue is not a color, but it is used for a clear sky without clouds. Dive and dip means to go into water with a force and softness together. Snaps means cracking sound. In the stanza, poet says that a kite looks bright on a clear sky when it flies for the first time. It moves with softness and force together at the same time. The fly make its tail to create a cracking sound in the air. The next stanza. Then soar like a ship with only a sail, as over tides of a wing it rides, climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. Here, soars means fly high, climbs means to go up, sails means a cloth on a ship or a boat used to catch wind and help the boat to move forward. Tide means rising and falling waves, and crest means mountain top. In this para, poet describes that such moves help kite to float in the sky, just waves rising and falling with the sudden blow of a wind. Strong winds, we can say that. It goes up to the highest point in the sky in a wavy manner, the way a ship moves on the ocean. But as soon as the wind slowed down, it seems as if it had stopped there to rest. The next stanza is, when string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows and it wings fills and up it goes. Here, slack means loose. In this para, poet describes that when the thread tied to the kite loosen, the flyer runs and roll it back. He wants still a new breeze blow again and fills its wing. Its wings means kite's wings with air again to help it fly high. The last stanza is, how bright on the blue is a kite when it's new, but a ragged thing you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. Here, ragged means torn, fata hua. Poet says that a kite looks very bright and beautiful on a clear sky, but when it gets stuck on a tree top, it gets torn and gives a poor, worn out look, which is not liked by anyone. Now the beauty of kite is all gone, and this is how the kite's journey ends. Now let's take a look at the question answers. The first question is list out the action word in the poem. Action words are those words which shows the action of doing something. Dive, dip, snaps are given words. Some other words are climb, blows, soars, rides, falls. Find out the meaning of these words. Climb means to go up, blows means to hit, soars means to fly, rides means to sit on the back of something, and falls means to drop down. The second question is read these lines from the poem. Then soars like a ship with only a sail. The movement of the tailless kite is compared to a ship with a sail. This is called simile. Here, simile is a word or a phrase that compares something else using the words like or as. Can you suggest what or who the following action may be compared to? Okay, the first one is he runs like. We can write he runs like a cheetah, or we can write he runs like the wind. He eats like a pig, or we can write he eats like a horse. She sings like a nightingale. It shines like a diamond, or we can write it shines like a star. Last one is it flies like a bird. In all these sentences we have compared words to other words. Okay, this is it. If you want the written material of the word meanings and the question answer, you can check the description box. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.